welcome and Mabuhay. This is Pearl Grace Gule, or you can call me Pearl for short, your tour guide for this afternoon, and it's my pleasure to assist you. By the way, I would like you to meet our tour driver, Mr. Mark, at the back. You can say hi. Okay. And then take note, everyone, that the bus color is color yellow and has a bus code of CV5777. Again, the bus color is color yellow and has a bus code of CV5777. So, in behalf of the KPA Tour Agency, I'd like to introduce to you all our destination for this trip, Huyong Huyong Nature Park. So, at this moment, I'd like to discuss to you some safety precautions and reminders. First and foremost, remember to smile all the time. Can I see your smile? Okay, very good. So let's associate our safety to smile. So, S-M-I-L-E. S. Secure your personal belongings and do not leave your things unattended. For M, make sure that you are within the group. If you want to leave, kindly ask permission to your tour guide and to others before doing so. For I, interact with the locals and culture. So if we arrive to our destination, you will be given enough time to explore the area. For L, leave the place clean as it is, and for E, enjoy the tour. For us to enjoy the tour, we should make sure that safety comes first before everything. It's that clear? Yes. Okay. Then I have two flags with me, which is the green and the red flag. So if you see me waving this red flag, it means stop and pay attention. And then if you see me waving this green flag, it means go and you can explore the area. And then in case of emergency, you will hear this sound. Is that clear? And since we're done discussing with the safety precautions and reminders, now let's proceed to the exam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15. Oh, that's great. Are you now guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So before we proceed to the bus, make sure everyone that you have with you your umbrellas or anything that could protect you from the weather. So, you can now proceed to the bus. See you in the Huyong Huyong Nature Park.
Welcome to Huyong Huyong Nature Park. It is located in Barangay La Filipina, Tagum City, Davao del Norte. If you are a nature lover and looking for a stress-free environment, this is the perfect place for you. Huyong Huyong is an event in nature park that offers a variety of spiritual and recreational activities that are perfect for family and friends bonding experiences. So first on the list, we have the gazebo and boating area where you can rent a boat for 30 pesos each person and you can enjoy it for the rest of your stay. Next, you can also enjoy their garden with an overview of the lake, and you can see a tremendous green environment that is very refreshing to the eyes. But wait, there's more. Let's go to the most exciting part of this trip, and on our way we can see some of the historical and spiritual facilities such as this fishing well where you can pray or wish, and a 100-year-old Dao tree. Finally, we're now here in the team building and activity area. We have camping site and low rope courses where you can enjoy with your friends. After a super long fun trip, Huyong Huyong has their own cafe called H2 Cafe, where they offer Filipino snacks such as toron and sells fresh from the farm dragon fruit. They also have souvenir shop and you can choose different customized items.
Attention tourists, let's all gather up here. Unfortunately, our tour ends here. So, by the way, how was your experience? Thank you so much. I really hope you enjoyed it. Or anything else, I'd like to thank all of you for trusting. I really do thank you for trusting. Before we go back to our bus, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Once again, on behalf of the KPA Tour Agency, this is Pearl saying that take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, and keep nothing but memories. This is your tour guide signing off. Thank you and we'll be